In this guide, I will show with you how to add credit card on your YouTube account. So friends, if you want to add your credit card, follow me in this guide. Open your YouTube and then click on your profile icon. From here, go to purchase and membership. And then guys, all you have to do when you click on purchase or membership, go your subscription section from here. And then guys, all you have to do, just click on go back to your YouTube purchase. From here, click learn more. And then click this one, try 1 month. For example, you want to purchase anything, click try 1 month, for example, this option. From here, when you purchase anything you want to add, you will see this one, add a credit card. This is for add a credit card. Just click add a credit card and then click buy. After that, choose your all details, your credit card. This is add credit card. Write your card numbers and security codes and card holder names and address and all these details, and then click save card. You can add a MasterCard or Visa card successfully without any problem. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.